Hello and welcome once again to the IT Academy. Today, we're going to create a new document. Now, when you want to create a new document in Microsoft Word, you have two options. One is to create a blank document and the other is to create your document using a template. To create a new document, you simply click on File and then New. So it gives you these two options. The first is the blank document, which, as the name implies, is totally empty. You have to start from the scratch. And the second option is to use a template. A template is simply a pre-designed document which you can customize to meet your own needs. You can see that they are already designed. Supposing I want to type a letter and I want to get a template. I look at this one and I feel I like the way it's arranged. All I have to do is click once on it and then the template is here. You see that everything is designed, ready-made. I just have to replace the contents with mine. So I can simply type and also you have to know that the template is actually not set in stone. You can decide to delete any aspect of it. For instance, I don't like where this date is. I can click and then delete it. Whatever you don't like, you can delete. So I'm going to type the date, 19th February 2021. Okay, so I've typed my date. And the template, like I said, is a guide. So it wants me to type my name here, the sender company here. Okay, so the IT Academy. Okay, and then the company's address, 66 Hope Street, Lyon. Okay, then it wants me to type the recipient's name here. So I'm going to send this letter to Mr. George Pada. And his address is 44 Main Street, Lyon. Okay, and then the template wants me to type my salutation here. Okay, so dear Mr. Pada. Okay, now we've got to the most important part of it, which is the main or the body of the document. So I have to type my main letter here. All I have to do is simply click inside and start typing. Once you start typing, it's going to erase the previous content. So I click inside and I type, I wish to inform you that we have started teaching some new IT courses. Okay, to check them out on our websites. Okay, now the next thing it wants me to do is type the closing here, and then I just type best regards. Best regards. Okay, then also here I'm supposed to type my title, Managing Director. You see, I'm done with my letter. I've been guided in typing my letter. There are so many kinds of templates. This was just a template for a letter. Let's take a look at what other kinds of templates there are. You see, there's a whole lot of templates. You have an annual report. Now, the templates that you see here are not all that there is. If you want more and you are connected to the internet, you can just type the name of a template here. Or if you want to type a budget, you're looking for a budget, you can type budget and it's going to look onto the Microsoft website for more templates. And there are so many other websites that can give you a whole lot of templates. Okay, so that is a template. And if you want to create a blank document, you simply File, New, and you click on the blank. So this is what you have. And then you can start typing. Okay. Okay. So you have created your blank document. You want to start typing. There are a few settings you want to look at with your document. For instance, the orientation. You have two different orientations. You have the portrait and the landscape. So you can decide what kind of orientation your document should have. To select the right orientation, you go to layout and then you go to orientation. So you see that if you select portrait, your document is going to be upright. And then you select landscape, it's going to be horizontal. So if I select, it's by default, it is upright or portrait. If I select landscape now, you see that it's kind of fallen on its side. Okay. So if I want to take it back to portrait, you've got it. So by default, if you don't change it, it's going to stay portrait. And then you start typing the document that you want to type. Okay. So in this short video, we looked at how to create a new document, and there are two options. One is to just create a blank document, and then the other is to use a template to guide you. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we will format a document. We're going to do the basics of editing. So I want you to subscribe to this channel as we advance towards more lessons in Microsoft Word. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you and see you again. Bye for now.